Hello everyone, my name is Alexis Crook. I am a customer success manager here at Prosymmetry. Today's going to be a pretty quick video on how to approve resource requests within Tempus. So resource requests are an optional approval process that you can turn on to take place when resources are assigned to projects. So within Tempus, you can trigger these resource requests to be approved. You have a few options once those requests are triggered: approve, reject, delegate, and reassign. And the last thing I want to point out is the ability to use Scribe to communicate within these resource requests. All right, I have now got my Tempus environment pulled up here, and I'm going to walk through the approval process of a resource request. So in this case, I am the resource manager of given resource that has been assigned to a project. You can see in my resource request tile here, I have a 1 that has popped up, meaning I have a pending resource request, and I've chosen to filter this list down just to what is pending. Within this screen, you can choose to pull in columns, groupings, also create views, but in this case, again, I have just filtered it down to show just this one pending request that I want to walk through here. The first way that you can approve a resource request is to select it, and you can see up at the top this approve button appears. With this dropdown, you have a few other options, but if you select approve here, this request will be approved and no longer show as pending. You also have the ability to click into this resource request and see quite a few more details. You've got all of the information on, who submitted the request, for what resource, what project, what task, what amount of time or FTE if you choose to use that. Some more project details over here. And then down at the bottom, you have your other resources that you are the manager of if you want to replace, in this case, Audrey with somebody else. The one thing that I want to point out here is on the upper right-hand side of your screen, you have this chat icon. And if you click into here, you have Scribe within your resource request area as well. So I have kind of created just a test note here, Scribe message here, tagging somebody and asking them to please confirm something about this project. This works the same as the Scribe within project management. So you can use tags, you can private your messages, you can edit them, so on and so forth. But this is a good resource if you have a reason to communicate with others specific to this resource request. With that being said, again, you can choose to what you want to do with this request, in this case, approve, and then hit apply changes. And just like that, I have no other pending requests. I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions about resource requests in general, please don't hesitate to reach out. Thank you.